YouTube, what's that word with y'all, man? It's your boy Hate Savvy, and I'm back here with another video. As y'all can see from the title and the thumbnail, I don't even want to waste too much time with y'all today. We gonna get into the top 3 stocks that I think could explode this upcoming week, starting Tuesday. I think y'all watching this video Monday. I'm gonna try to get this out before the market open, so everybody can go ahead and get their feet wet in these stocks. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into these stocks, man. Listen, first one up on the list I got is ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. As we all know, Trump inauguration is today. It's either today or tomorrow. Either today or tomorrow, which is Sunday or Monday. But we know the effects that are gonna come with. We know the benefits that Elon is gonna get from being a part of this campaign and being alongside Trump. All of the upside that Tesla has in general. We don't want to look at it blind like it's just gonna go up. So as you can see, it's sitting at 428. The downside levels I want y'all to look at is 415, 416. It could even come down to 400 in case we open up higher and sell off. So we might gap up, and be sitting around, I don't know, 440. And then as soon as we get that 440, everybody decide, okay, this is where we want to take profit, and then we sell all the way back down. Keep an eye out for that, but also keep an eye out for us gapping up and running. So we could gap up to 440, and then we could gap up to 440, 438 on Tuesday morning, and then we could continue to run 4.6 to 445, 450, then eventually 460, and through there is even higher to the all-time highs, 484 and 500. TSLL, right? I like to play TSLL options, and you can come down here to the February 21st call. Somewhere around there, I like a 65 delta. Okay, this is cool. So I get this one right here. Let it come down. Right now it's at 550. So let it come down. Try to get it for as cheap as you can. Get in this one, and then you can ride it all the way back up. Next one on the list we have is SOFI, ticker symbol SOFI. I believe this one is gonna run. You know what I'm saying? It's really due for it. It's been straddling the fence for a long time. It keeps falling. It was falling or trading like in a stagnant range for almost basically since November. We couldn't get above 1680. That was the highs y'all can see. And then we came as low as, you see, we came to these 15s. And I know 1580 was a good resistance mark that I have charted out on my charts. You can't really see it on this line chart, but 1580 was a good area of resistance for us. So when we broke through that, it indicated us going higher. So I want y'all to look out for this one, and I want y'all to get shares. This is SOFX. So this is the 2 times long ETF. So I got a target on SOFI to going to $20, eventually $25. So if you don't feel comfortable playing options, all you have to do is come right here. And as you can see, I got $181 in here. Come right here, put, buy a few shares. Buy a few shares. When this goes up, this is going to be 2 times the leverage. This is going to be 2 times the leverage. So when SOFI goes and run 5%, you're going to be up 10. When it go run 20%, you're going to be up 40. So go get this 2 times leverage one right here. And that's easy money, I'm trying to tell y'all. Still look for those downside targets. Obviously, I don't want everything to go out the window. But since you are playing shares, you can dollar cost average. So you might want to wake up and just go ahead, put 30 in just to get your feet wet. Then let it come down some more, and then put another 30 in just to get your feet wet. And then it come down some more, you put that last 30 in, now you got 90. See what I'm saying? However you want to do it. SOFI is going to be one that takes off. So I want y'all to be in it and prepare for that. So last but not least, we are going to the third one. The third one is AMD. I don't know, man. Like AMD is really one of my favorite. I'm gonna keep screaming it because it's really undervalued right now, and they have their own lane when it comes to the AI. When it comes to the AI and the chip sector that Nvidia doesn't have. It's a different, they have a different theme. So eventually it will be their time to turn around and run. So I just want y'all to know when we down here in the trenches, like we've been in the trenches, as you can see for the last 3 months, this thing is down 22%. So we came all the way from 166, even higher than that. We've been down for the past year. This thing went all the way from 211 down all the way to 118. And now we sitting at 125. So I want y'all to go to TradingView and I want y'all to draw out a big line on the weekly time frame from when this downtrend started. And what you will notice is the level that's resistance is 125. So right now I'm in calls. I bought calls at 120. Okay, so either the 16th or the 17th. It could have been either day because it was there all week. So I got in at 120 right now, and then at the end of Friday it was sitting at 121. So it's gonna run to 125. I know inevitably it's gonna run to 125. It could. I'm not saying for sure it's gonna do that. We also gotta watch those downside levels. Like I said, 120. 120. You got 119. 50. Man, it's so out of there. But point being is, I think this is gonna run to 125. So no matter if it runs to 125 and then we sell off, or that's what I plan to do anyway. I plan to take one right there. But this thing, when it gets to turning back around, bro, I want y'all to definitely be in this because it's gonna be in for a year. This is probably one of the best sales you're ever gonna get. That's what I'm trying to make it. That is really just as simple as that. This is one of the best sales you're gonna get. So y'all grab AMD here. I like options. I also like shares. Either one you comfortable with. But yeah, man. If y'all want more videos on the charts, want me to break down some technical analysis, that will be in. But this is a short video. I ain't gonna keep it too long. Without further ado, y'all boys make sure y'all like, subscribe, tune in for more videos like this. Tap into the Discord, free Discord down below. I do want to start making some daily calls. I'm gonna end up making a few free daily calls just to get my feet wet. I'm gonna start calling some option plays, but I want y'all to trade at y'all own, at y'all own risk. None of this is financial advice. I'm just calling what I'm doing. With the growth that I had, that I've showed, and the consistency that I've showed, I just want to, try to help some of y'all out. But the link will be in the description. Y'all tune in for more videos like this. Appreciate y'all for tapping in and watching. And I'm out.